Hi, Bob. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. So, what have you been up to lately?
Not much, just work and some hobbies. I've been reading a lot. How about you?
That sounds nice. I've been busy with work too, but I started taking cooking classes recently.
Cooking classes? That sounds interesting. What have you learned to cook so far?
I've learned to make a few dishes like pasta, some Thai food, and even a chocolate cake. It's been a lot of fun.
That sounds delicious. Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I do. It's really relaxing. What about you? Do you cook?
Sometimes. I usually stick to simple things like pasta or sandwiches. I'm not as adventurous as you in the kitchen.
That's okay. Everyone has their own interests. So, what book are you reading right now?
I'm reading a mystery novel called The Silent Patient. It's really gripping.
Oh, I've heard about that book. It's supposed to be really good. Do you like mystery novels?
Yes, I love them. They keep me guessing until the end. What about you? What kind of books do you like?
I enjoy reading fantasy novels. I love getting lost in different worlds and adventures.
Fantasy novels are great. Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, I love Harry Potter. I've read the whole series several times.
Me too. It's a classic. Have you seen the movies as well?
Yes, I have. They're really well done. Do you have a favorite character?
I think I'd have to say Hermione. She's smart and brave. What about you?
I like Harry, of course. He's the hero of the story.
Definitely. So, besides cooking and reading, what else do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy going for walks in the park and spending time with my friends. What about you?
I like to play video games and watch movies. It helps me relax after a long day.
That sounds fun. Do you have a favorite video game?
I really like playing The Legend of Zelda. It's such an amazing game.
I've heard good things about that game. Maybe I should try it sometime.
You should. It's a lot of fun. So, do you have any plans for the weekend?
I'm thinking of going to the beach if the weather is nice. How about you?
That sounds nice. I might just stay home and relax. Maybe watch a movie or two.
That sounds good too. Sometimes it's nice to just have a quiet weekend.
Absolutely. Do you have any favorite movies?
I love watching comedies. They always make me laugh. What about you?
I enjoy action movies. They're exciting and full of adventure.
Action movies are great. Do you have a favorite actor?
I really like Tom Cruise. He's done some amazing movies. What about you?
I like Jennifer Lawrence. She's very talented.
She is. By the way, do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I try to go to the gym a few times a week. How about you?
I try to exercise too. I usually go for a run in the morning.
That's great. Running is a good way to stay fit.
It is. Do you like any sports?
I enjoy playing tennis. It's a lot of fun. Do you play any sports?
I like playing basketball. It's a good way to stay active and have fun with friends.
That's true. Well, it was great catching up with you, Bob.
You too, Alice. Let's do this again soon.
Definitely. Have a great day.
You too, Alice. Bye.